Do you want more value from your Instagram stories? Interested in repurposing stories content on your Instagram profile? Take a break, sit back, grab your favorite snack, because through this video you will discover some best practices on using Instagram stories highlights for your brand before you can finish a bag of flaming hot Cheetos limon. Hello and welcome to Snackable Hacks. We share the hottest social media hacks to help you tell your story and reach the masses, paired up with the hottest snacks in the market. Like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Instagram's highlights feature lets you combine multiple Instagram stories into long-term content your audience can discover at their convenience. Creating an Instagram stories highlight album. To create a highlight album from your profile, tap on the plus sign in the story highlights section. When you add a new highlight, the archive list of your Instagram stories appears. Simply select the post you want to add to that highlight album and tap next. The highlight album cover will be the first image you uploaded to the highlight. Chances are the image won't be aligned favorably. To improve the look, tap edit, cover, and then drag, zoom, and position your cover image. Instagram stories highlights best practices. Let's start with the layout. You can add more albums following the same process listed above. In testing, I was able to add more than 20 albums without issue. When viewing your profile, however, only 4 highlight albums will be clearly displayed. If you have 5 or more highlights, they'll carry off to the right side of the screen. Be wary of the chronological order of your highlights. When creating new highlight albums, the first or oldest album will be the rightmost album in the banner. Have a strategy for the topics you plan to create in highlights and ensure the most important topics aren't pushed out of view. If you plan to have 5 or more highlights, create the less significant ones first and the most relevant or important ones last. When viewing a highlight, the name of the highlight album appears on the top left corner of the screen rather than the username of the account, along with the cover photo for the highlight. Even though you have only 16 characters, this is another good opportunity for branding and to stand out. It's also an incentive to pick up a strong, recognizable cover image for each highlight. For example, the San Diego Zoo created a recognizable cover image and title for this highlight album. Are you using Instagram highlights already? What's your Instagram handle? I'd love to connect. Share your handle in the comments below. There's a lot of complaining about this particular kind of hot Cheetos on the internet. Some people think that there's too much of a lime flavor, others don't. I'm a huge fan of limon, so I gotta say I'm a fan, and sometimes it feels a little bit hotter than regular flaming hot Cheetos. Thoughts? Okay. Moving on. Take advantage of clickable links in stories to create highlights on your profile that direct traffic to your website. You can use this tactic to promote blog posts, products, courses, or anything else on your site. For instance, the clickable link in this kitchen highlight takes viewers to slow cooker recipes on their website. There are many creative ways to incorporate the new highlights feature into your Instagram marketing. Use this valuable real estate on your Instagram profile to build your brand, develop trust with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. We're continuing to navigate what it means to tell our story and reach the masses one snack at a time. Join me on this journey to learn the power of storytelling to drive success, growth, and influence. Stay hungry. See you next week.